45 doesn't make it. 55's out of the question.
44.
44. All right. I think you've aged a year campaigning against us, though, John. It's great to see you here today, especially if you come from Arlington, where you never see this many Republicans together in one room. You know, when I first ran up there, somebody said to me, "Dave, you're a Republican?" Been for many years, Sally. Why? Well, my daddy was, my granddaddy was, I guess I am. She said, "I suppose, Dave, if your daddy was a jackass and your granddaddy was a jackass, you'd be a jackass." "No, Sally, then I'd be a Democrat." I want to recognize, as a matter of fact, I don't know how many district chairmen you get here, but I see one very important to me, Mike Ginsburg from the 8th District. Thank you for coming tonight. And one of our candidates for General Assembly, and maybe you've got more. I don't want to overlook anybody, but I'm behind Mike Gage right there in the middle of the room. And I just got to say a word about my favorite young Republican, my son Kenny Foster, back there behind Mike. I've got 2 minutes left to give you 2 reasons to vote for Dave Foster as your nominee for Attorney General. Number one, we got to win this November. It's vital we win this time. And we means Bob McDonnell, Bill Bowling, then your Attorney General candidate. I can help because I've won in the toughest part of the state. Sorry, Ken, it's not Fairfax. It's the People's Republic of Arlington. Republicans don't win there. They haven't done it in 25 years in a general election, literally, except twice. My election to the countywide school board in 1999, my re-election to the countywide school board by a landslide of 62% in 2003, forcing my Democrat colleagues to make me chairman of that school board twice. If we're going to be competitive, we're going to have to be, as a ticket, competitive in Northern Virginia, which we haven't been in years. Jim Gilmore, my good friend from undergraduate days at UVA, lost it by nearly 400,000 votes. We've got to do better, and I can help this ticket do better in places like Arlington because I've proved it on the ground. Number two, you heard it from Bob and Bill. What's the big issue going to be? The economy, stupid. Remember it from 92? You're not that old. That's how we lost to Bill Clinton. We didn't get it then until it was too late. We get it now. Bob's talking about it. Bill's talking about it. Dave Foster is the one who's talking about it at the AG level. What can I do as AG? He runs a large law firm, as Bob says on his website. He's counsel to every agency in the state, as well as the General Assembly. He can work to cut regulations, cut the bureaucratic paperwork, shorten the permitting period, protect our right to work law, and if necessary, go to court to stop that nefarious card check scheme to limit the secret ballot. All those things that make us business friendly and bring jobs to Virginia. I look forward to your questions. That's why I wish to be your Attorney General nominee, and thank you for your interest in the party and all you do for it.